Hey guys, it's Alana Rivera here today, and I'm gonna be making fluffy slime. I just made some right here. I don't know what fluffy slime. It's slime, but it's fluffy. And here's the ingredients: shaving cream, food dye, any color. I'm gonna use a different one. Eye contact solution, saline. I'm gonna go get different food dye. I'll be right back. Here's my food dye. It's food coloring. I'm going to be using red. Hold on. What are you doing, Zozo? Oh, that was my cat. I'm sorry. And here's the other ingredients. Food dye. Elmer's glue liquid. Saline. Shaving cream. This is the slime that I just made. Oh, I'm gonna add some more saline. It's not fully done, I'm sorry. This is just a little bit of saline in my already done batch. Hey! Sorry. Yeah. Now I'm gonna get a different container for a different color. And I just made this today. Very, very awesome. And this will be red. No, it'll be pink. I'm going to be bringing this to school tomorrow. And now I'm going to use the rest of this Elmer's glue. There's no certain measurements. You just got to wing it. I'm going to point you guys to get as much as you can. As much slime as you need. As much slime as you want. I'm going to have to use my other kind just to let this come out. Come on. I don't want this to be a long video, so I'm going to hurry this. I'm going to use my new one. That was a new one too, but I'm going to use another one. That's all I'm going to be using. I'm going to show you as much as I'm using. Let me get a butter knife. Actually, use a fork. I just filled the bottom. That's what you guys should do. Now, whatever color you're going to use, put it in now. So I'm going to use my red, if I can open it. And I'm going to put 2 drops right now because I'm going to make it pink. Then I'm going to use my fork and mix that around until I get the color I want. If that's not the color I want, I'm going to add more food dye. Okay? Okay. This happens to be exactly the color I want. And keep everything that you're using out right now. This is the color I want. It's a pink. It's really nice pink. Now you're going to use your shaving cream. It does have to be Barblos, I think. That's the kind. I'm just going to use hold on. I'm going to put it around. Hold on. Get off. This is how much I put in right now. And actually put in not a lot right then because it's kind of hard. And this is the color that I got right now. That's why you got to add more food dye if you want a different color. I want a little more brighter. That's too light for me. I just added one more dot of food dye. Now, mix that up. This is my first time. Well, this is my second time ever making fluffy slime. I just made one batch today. That was my first time. And don't put too much food dye, or else it'll just, what was I gonna say? It would all just get all over your hands. Then I'm gonna use my fork, see it's all covered. Gonna use my fingers, actually. No, I'm not. I'm gonna scrape it against the edge. Now when I'm done with that, and I am gonna be putting more shaving cream in right now, a little more. maybe like a eighth of food dye right then and now, and that'll make it lighter if you want it lighter. But you should do that step too if you want more fluffy slime, because fluffy slime is easy. It's only 1, 2, 3 ingredients. I'm gonna use my Saline. I got this from CVS, and it's Saline contact solution. I'm gonna squirt it, and this is just winging it, and this is what makes it into fluffy slime. It's turning into slime, but like here, I'll show you. But it's not slime yet. See, that's not slime yet. You need more shaving cream. Oh, I put way too much. Got it all over my fork. Nice going, Alana. Nice going. And I'm sorry if you can't really see my face, because I know that's what you're all here for. My face. Just kidding, you're here for the video. Fluffy slime. This is the best slime you could make. Like, I made slime, never ever made fluffy slime. Fluffy slime is the next big thing. Mix that in. Saline. Squirt that all in there. All of this stuff I got from CVS, except for the food dye and the Elmer's glue. When you think it's ready, when it like looks like this, I think you should start kneading. Hold on. I didn't mix it all. No, don't knead yet. I made a mistake. You need to put more Saline until it doesn't really stick. Except my other batch doesn't really stick, which I love that batch. That was my first batch. Awesome batch. See, when it doesn't stick to the fork like that, then you should start kneading. Oh, I added too much Saline. I think I'm going to add more. Oh, hold on. Let me start kneading it even more. I need more glue. More glue in this puppy. Probably it'll be a lot better. I'm putting in like a tablespoon of glue. More glue. And I'm just winging it, guys. If you don't know what winging means, it means just doing it, and whatever comes out is whatever comes out. Now, again, I'm going to do that same step, but not as much shaving cream. Actually, that's a lot. I lied. Now use my fork. I'm on my kitchen floor, so sorry about the dirtiness.
Whoa.
This one's not as good as my other one. That was my brother Damien. Damien, look.
Whoa.
I made green too.
That's awesome.
They left. It's okay. Manny, I made a pink one. Yeah. That's all. That's how you make fluffy slime. And like and subscribe and bye.